If you are looking for fast and easy makeup, this is the tutorial for you. I am using products from SEINT Beauty, and I'm first going to color correct the dark circles underneath my eyes with one of our foundation shades, Mango Highlight. Then I'm going to use one of our contour shades called Aspen to address the redness I have as well as my rosacea. I'm using this brush to apply a very light layer of Aspen contour to take care of the redness. Color correcting is optional, but very effective for taking care of hyperpigmentation that you may have on your face before you apply your foundation. You can refer to my Color Correcting 101 tutorial for more information. This is my 3D foundation, my main highlight, accent highlight, and contour. These are 3 creams you place strategically on your face, and you want to get color matched to them. There's no right or wrong order to add these creams, but I'm going to show you one fun way. I'm first applying my cream contour. I'm going to do 4 lines. This is going to give me coverage with my 3D foundation, and it's going to emphasize dimension. I'm applying my contour on my cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. I mentioned it's going to give me coverage, but it's also going to give me dimension. So that means it's going to give me a more lifted, sculpted look. Now I'm going to move on to my main highlight, which replaces your traditional foundation. You're going to start to fill in the gaps since we're strategically applying these 3 products, and I'm applying my main highlight where I want coverage. So I'm showing you by placing it with my finger where I have it in the middle of my forehead, my nose, around my mouth, and other places that I would like to have coverage. So highlight is a cream as well, but it's a thinner cream than contour. It's supposed to move with your skin and look more natural looking. What I love about main highlight is it's going to last all day long. Last but not least, in your 3D foundation is your accent highlight, which is going to replace your concealer. I like to apply my accent highlight where I want to brighten. So that's going to be underneath my eyes in the inner and outer corner, the T-zone down the nose, upper lip, and chin. One optional fun place to apply your accent highlight is right here underneath the contour and the cheekbone to really make that contour and the cheekbone pop and really give you an instant facelift. And that is my 3D foundation. The magic in 3D foundation is in the blending. No matter what type of coverage you're looking for, whether natural, medium, or maximum, you're going to apply those 3 products the same. It's how you blend it out. I'm using one of our double-ended brushes. This is going to give medium coverage. This is the 3D brush. This is the brush I recommend if you're starting out with SEINT and you're looking for the best user-friendly brush. I'm taking the bunny and tail of the 3D brush and tapping in my main highlight and accent highlight. Basically where I have the flesh color creams. You're just going to tap it in, and then you'll start to move to your contour to blend that makeup in. We have brushes that give more of an airbrush application, and we have brushes that give maximum application. That's where it gets a lot of fun deciding what you want your makeup to look like. As I move on to blending my contour, I'm going to blend the contour up on the cheekbone. The whole point of me applying that contour there is to emphasize that natural shadow to give me a lifted, sculpted look on my face, which is going to make me look thinner and also draw attention to my eye, especially the contour of my forehead right here. Notice it's blending beautifully up into my hairline, and it's going to emphasize the natural shadow I have there and draw attention to my eyes. As I blend the contour along my jawline, you want to make sure you blend that really well through to your neck. That way it all goes seamless together. Couple fun things you can add into your compact and add into your makeup look that takes just a few minutes is bronzer. I love to apply my bronzer after my 3D foundation. I'm using the same brush, that 3D brush, and I'm using this beautiful shade of bronzer called Tan Lines. We have 4 shades of cream bronzer. Tan Lines is our lightest shade of bronzer, and it blends beautifully. Bronzer is just applied where the sun naturally touches your face. I like to apply mine right on top of my cheekbone and the middle of my forehead. I do love to add lip and cheek for that flush of natural color on the cheekbones and lips. We have gorgeous cream shades ranging in different finishes from gloss, semi-gloss, and also satin. I'm using the shade Candy right here. It's a beautiful natural pink that I like to apply in the apple of the cheeks and then up high, and then I'll also be adding that to my lips. You can use our lip and cheeks as lip liner like I'm using in this shade Nude. I took one of our smaller double-ended brushes and just lined my lips to make them look fuller, and then I'm going to switch ends of that multitasker brush to the paddle end and just go into that same color I'm wearing, Candy, as my blush. One beautiful thing about our makeup is that it's customizable. So this means you can add eyeshadow into your magnetic compact. So everything's in one place. I used an eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, so my eyeshadows from SEINT go on beautifully, and you can see I have gorgeous, fun colors. I'm using my favorite eyeshadow brush, the eyeshadow brush. I took the fluffy end of it and went into this beautiful matte mauve shade called Mama. And I'm taking the fluffy end and going back and forth in a windshield wiper motion to really get that first color on my eyes. And then I switched to smaller end just to wrap Mama underneath my eyes softly. Now I'll build dimension into my eye just to make my eye look a little bigger. I went into a deeper, darker mauve color called Lullaby. I like to focus that beautiful dark color in the outer corner in a V just to really give that eye a lifted, dramatic look. And then I'll take my finger and finish it off in this light pink shimmer Sis. I use my finger to really get the most payout for product. That's it. I did my 3D foundation, color correcting blush, bronzer, and eyeshadow in a matter of minutes. Everything was in my one compact. Where you want to start off is get color matched by me. I'll recommend the best products to you, and I can help you arrange your compact on your budget and your needs.